This video will give you some ideas for how you can help your child master sight words. So, my first suggestion is to have your child log in to our Canvas site. And first, your child will need to go to our school webpage and then students. And then you can go to the Google Wake ID login to log in. And once they've done that, from their Wake ID portal, there will be a blue circle that says Canvas. So click on the blue circle that says Canvas and then look for the English kindergarten class. It's orange and yellow and has hearts on it. Click there. And I'm going to go into student view so you'll see what you see when your child logs on. So we have right here at the very beginning, we have links to sight words. So this is real easy links. Your child can just click on either choice board, choose the list that you're working on, or the one that your child needs to work on. And if you click slideshow, that will activate the links. And then you can just click one of the videos and make it so that your child can watch the video and learn the action tricks. Another suggestion is, so that covers individual sight words videos. The sight words playlist has all of the sight words that we've recorded so far. And also in modules, if you look under, let's see, parent, here we go. Under optional English homework is the Sight Words Mega Mix. That's got all of the Sight Words videos. And this one has the slides along with videos and instructions. So these are great ways that you can work with your child on learning the sight words that we're learning in English class. Another thing that you can do is make some flashcards. You can just take the list of words that we're working on and put them on index cards and practice those with your child. There are a lot of resources on the internet that you can also access if you want your child to work on sight words. So thank you, and let me know if you have any questions.